Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be checking out a beautiful 1967 Chevy Camaro. Just a stunning Camaro with excellent paint, great shine, just beautifully restored. As we walk around the car, you can see that black paint has got like a mirror finish everywhere. Beautiful. Love the silver.
This one's got a crate 350 in it, Dalton.
So crate 350, also a 4-speed manual transmission.
Power steering, power disc brakes, and just beautiful paint, door jambs, trunk jam, under the hood, inner fenders. Even the inner fenders and the wheel wells are all painted gloss black. Bottom has been painted gloss black. So rotisserie restored here, I'm not sure exactly the years, probably 5 years ago, and just very well taken care of.
Yeah, very sharp.
Car's had a ton of money spent on it, and it shows.
Yeah, it does. Front bumper, all that's been re-chromed. Grill's in excellent shape.
Dalton, and this happened in transport, and we'll take care of it. It does have a ding right here.
Okay.
We'll take care of that.
So
we'll
will
take
be
it to the
fixed?
body shop and fix it.
Okay.
Yep.
Good to know. Yeah, the bottom side of the hood, I mean, it's got a light coat of dust. It's been sitting out here for about 10 minutes warming up. But even the bottom side of the hood, you can see the reflection of the engine in it. It's very nice.
Like I said, a crate motor. A lot of people want to know that. You know, that way they knew it was rebuilt properly. And
he said previous owners said about 10,000 miles on that crate motor.
So it's nice. So it's had some miles put on it, which is always helpful.
Back of the hood fits excellent. The whole hood fits great. Front as well. Very small little paint chip that's been touched up there. Almost can't even see it. Front fender's in excellent shape. It's got the rally wheels, BFG raised wet letter tires, and when you look in the wheel wells, and you'll see this in the back too, you can see, I mean, even the whole inner wheel well is all painted that high gloss black. Just a very quality restoration.
If you're picky on paint and you just want a really nice car, you can take to any local car show and probably win and be very proud of how things fit. This is it. Like the bottom of the passenger door fits great. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues there. Over the wheel well looks great. Same thing, corner of the doors are awesome. Door jamb paint, rubbers, felts, everything is very professionally done. And how about the full console with the Hearst shifter, correct steering wheel, beautiful painted dash pad.
Got paint on the glove box and dashes. Excellent as well. Headliner's great. Dome light works. Back package tray's very nice. Back seat.
It's got
a lot of money on this car.
It's got nice Camaro floor mats as well.
Top of the roof, very nice and straight. You can see the reflection of our good old sign on the roof.
It still has a factory style exhaust all with the one muffler that goes up by the axle and then the two tailpipes that come out the back. Look at the paint. I mean, it still looks wet on the bottom of the trunk lid, doesn't it?
Yeah, beautiful.
Same thing in here, look. Look at that. Isn't that quality, huh?
Very, very nice.
It's like I said, just no speckling, nothing, just all high gloss painted black, beautiful, basically showing off all the body work. I mean, when do you see that? Most people hide stuff. This is just showing it all off, right? It does need a new heater core. That does come with the car, okay? Even the wiring and stuff all looks good in the back here.
And when you say that, you mean the part, we're sending the part
yes,
with the car.
With the car, yep.
Yep,
if you want heat, right? Tail light lenses have been replaced, all new chrome bumpers. And the body, guys, is laser straight, absolutely laser straight. Driver's side door fits perfect as well.
Sail panel area is excellent. So many times you'll see little cracks or shrinkage. Nothing on this one.
It's crazy on a black car though, just that little bit of dust in it.
Oh, it does. It's been out here for 10 minutes and it's got that light coated dust. Chad already mentioned, door fits awesome. Straight. I love the chrome, the rocker molding. It just really look good with that black.
Back of the hood fits perfect on this side too. It's got two chips here. See that little tiny chip right there? It's been touched up. And it's got one more right here, D, right in front of the wiper blade. Wiper arm, sorry. Doors open and close, beautiful, just like they should. Window felts, like I said, are new.
It's funny, some cars, you know, on camera or video look worse when you zoom in. This one, the more you zoom in, the better this one looks.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Kind of awesome. It's just, there's just nothing to hide with it as far as the quality of paint and body.
Did a nice job painting the steering column as well.
I'll hand that over to you. And
sure, thanks, Steve. Horn works. My Dalton's getting around here. Wipers work great. We also put new blades on like we always do. Windshield's crystal clear. Even in here, they painted all these interior pieces, high gloss black. I mean, just did a beautiful job. New rear view mirror. It's got the correct shifter, her shifter in it. It's got the right boot. All aftermarket gauges and they all work. We had to run it out here about 10 minutes, 15 minutes warming it up. It's at 190. Oil pressure revved up will go all the way to about 80. So we went through the horn, went through the wipers. Now the heater fan works. You talked to me about the heater core. It came in, needed a heater core. The heater's been bypassed, but the heater fan works, the frost works, all that stuff. It's just if you want to drive this thing and you absolutely need heat rather than just a fan, you'll need to put a heater core in. Not a big deal, and a lot of times no one's going to need heat. You know, the heat off the engine and stuff. So, did you mention that this does work, doesn't it?
Yep.
Cool. It's got seat belts in the back, seat belts in the front. See how it drives, should we? Gas gauge works as well. It's got a little over half a tank. When they come in, we fill them all up between half and 3/4. Plenty of power, don't it?
It does.
High-speed braking. No pull left or right. Alignment's nice. Idle's great. Now this is one you do have to warm up. When you first go out, you know, that, I don't know if it has a choke, the choke's working or what, but it just spits and sputters a little bit till it warms up as far as that carburetor.
Yeah. Well, as soon as you get them, you know, to operating temp, it runs awesome, and you should always warm them up anyway.
Well, most all of them do, you know, are the same way, but some are just a little more finicky than others. As far as just make sure you're warmed up before you take off.
Yep.
As far as the radio goes, it's got the factory radio hole. No one's butchered it and put anything in there, so you can be the first one to butcher it or put a retro sound radio and fill those factory holes. It's got 81,911 miles. Very, very possible that that's what's on the body. It's got a great idle to it, don't it? Sitting
Yeah, it does.
Sounds good. That transmission feels great, Dalton.
Yeah.
Got a nice tall shifter in it. Goes down the road great, 60 mile an hour. It's got some bigger tires on the back, so the speedometer's off probably 5-6 mile an hour. Shows we're doing 55 to 60, and I think we're probably doing about 5 mile an hour over that. Love the sound of that 4-barrel. There's 70 mile an hour. Goes nice and straight down the road. Really good car.
It is. Sweet car.
Sweet. Oil pressure 60 pounds, temps 200. Volt gauge is working too. Here's our downshift. Third. Second.
All the way down to first. Real nice, strong tranny.
What else you got to say about this Black Beauty D?
It's just a sweet car. Like really priced to sell too, given the quality of 4-speed 350 crate. Just a car's ready to jump in and take to your next show.
And how many, like I said, idle that nice? You just cruise right around this. You know what I mean? A lot of them are jumpy and stuff.
Yeah.
This clutch is awesome. The 4-speed's awesome.
Even though it's got more of a highway gear, it still puts you back in the seat when you get on it.
It sure does, see? I like it a lot.
I do too. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.